In Zion, O God, praises await, vows fulfilled as we celebrate you who hear prayer. Our sins negate, with overwhelming grace our fate. You create nature's hymn, the mountains and seas sing of your wonders. In every breeze, rivers and valleys, the towering trees, all proclaim your works with boundless ease. You calm the roaring seas, still the waves crash. Mountains stand tall under your loving lash. Morning and evening, your splendor flash. In every corner, your miracles dash. The fields are clothed in golden gray. Valleys and hills echo your refrain. Glistening dew and life-giving rain. All of nature in your glorious domain. Nature's hymn, the mountains and seas, all proclaim your works with boundless ease. With joy and song, the world does resound. In your beauty, all creation is unbound. With joy and song, the world does resound. In your beauty,